Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve neat cornrows, the key to neat cornrows. So I start with blowing out my hair, so make sure your hair is super detangled. Comb your hair, straighten it, stretch it, blow it out. Like, make sure your hair is very detangled. So I go in with a leave-in conditioner, so I don't want to braid my hair when it is dry. So I'm just adding a little bit of the leave-in conditioner and then section my hair. I'm going to be doing only 4 cornrows, so when you're sectioning your hair, make sure to use a rat tail comb and to use 2 mirrors, one in the front and one in the back, so you can get clean parts. So the next thing is adding my hair wax braiding gel. Yes, so braiding gel helps to like catch all the fly away hair and to give you neat lines. Yes, so while braiding I make sure I make tight grips, not like too tight whereby your head is going to hurt so bad, but make sure your cornrows are not loose. Yes, so that is like the key to neat cornrows, is having well detangled hair, adding some braiding gel, yes, to give you clean parts, especially if you are just starting out. So I make sure my cornrows are tight. Yes, if you make loose grips, your cornrows they are not going to last for a long time and they're not going to look good. So yes, continue braiding. So I'm going to add some extension at the end. I have a lot of videos on how to cornrow your own hair, on how to add extensions in a cornrow. So I'm going to be leaving the links in the description. Yes. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I do hair tutorials, natural hair care remedies, skincare remedies using natural ingredients. So please subscribe to my channel, tap on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any new video. So yes, so I'm just going to braid the rest of my hair and I'm going to be back shortly. So I am on my last braid. I hope you can see how the braiding gel makes everything to be neat. You can tell I'm still a beginner. I'm also still learning to perfect my cornrows, and braiding gel has been such a help. It has been such a key to achieving neat hairstyle. So if you haven't yet gotten a braiding gel, please get yourself one. Find yourself one. There are lots of good braiding gels out there. We have Shine and Jam, we have Edge Control, yes, we have La Fresh Hair Wax. So get yourself some braiding gel. Okay, so I'm just cutting the ends and I'm going to be doing laying my edges and also applying some hair mousse. I'm using ORS olive oil wrap and said mousse. So like braiding gel, hair mousse also helps to slick down, not in a way that the gel does, but it helps to also catch those fly away hair, you know, those small growing hair that stick out. Yes, it helps to lay them down. So I tie with a satin wrap and blow dry. If you don't have a dry, it's okay, you can just tie a satin wrap and let your hair marinate for a few minutes. Yes, so after a few minutes, that is how the hair looks. Okay, are you seeing how neat those cornrows look? I mean, I'm still a beginner, I'm still learning to perfect, but these cornrows are really giving. Okay, they look nice, they look cute. I mean, so yes, hair braiding gel, hair mousse, they are really so helpful in braiding your hair, in achieving neat hairstyle, neat cornrows. So this is a very good protective hairstyle, and it's going to last me a few weeks. Yes, it looks really neat, it looks really nice. I mean, I really love this hairstyle. So yes, if you haven't yet gotten a braiding gel, a hair mousse, girl, go get yourself some. So bye, I'll see you in my next video.